Frozen 2 is a fantasy animated film that was released on 20 November 2019. It's the sequel to the earlier hit Frozen, which came out in 2013. Frozen 2 was produced by Walt Disney Animation Studio and directed by Chris Buck, and Jennifer Lee, with Peter Del Vico as the producer. The film, a runtime of 120 minutes, some of the actors and actresses who lend their voices to the character include the first, Kristen Bell as Anna, the second, Idina Menzel as Elsa, the third, Jonathan Groff as Kristoff, the fourth, Josh Gad as Olaf, and others. Disney 2 animated film Frozen 2 is not merely a continuation of the beloved story of Elsa, Anna, and their friends. It's a deeply layered narrative that explores universe themes of self-discovery, family bonds, and humanity relationship with nature. Through its rich storytelling and vibrant visuals, the films convey a profound message that resonate with audience of all age. Central to the movie are the themes of the search for identity, the courage to confront of the past, the importance of familial love, and the necessity of living in harmony with nature. At the heart of Frozen 2 lies Elsa's journey of self-discovery. From the beginning of the film, Elsa feels an otherworldly call, prompting her to question her identity and the purpose of her magical powers. Her quest to uncover the truth leads her to the ancient forest and the discovery of Ahtohallan, the river of memories. Here, Elsa learns that she is the fifth spirit, a bridge between the human world and the nature elements. This revelation not only affirms her uniqueness but also gives her a profound sense of purpose. Elsa's story is testament to the importance of embracing one's of true self, of finding meaning in one's individuality. Another significant theme in Frozen 2 is the courage to confront the past. The film delves into the history of Arendelle and its strained relationship with the Northrulda people. Elsa and Anna discover that their grandfather, King Ruinert, betrayed the Northrulda by building the dam to weaken their land, leading a rift between the two communities. By acknowledging and addressing this historical injustice, Elsa and Anna not only help the wounds of the past but also pave the way for a more harmonious future. Nature plays a central role in Frozen 2, emphasizing humanity's interconnectedness with the natural world. The spirit of water, fire, and wind and earth are not only integral to the plot but also symbolize the balance required to sustain life. Elsa's role as the fifth spirit reinforces the idea that humans must act the stewards of nature, maintaining harmony with its force rather than exploiting them. Finally, Frozen 2 explores the themes of change and personal growth. The characters face numerous challenges and transformation throughout the story. Elsa's acceptance of her role as the fifth spirit leads her to leave Arendelle and embrace a new life in Enchanted Forest, while Anna steps into her role as the Queen of Arendelle. This change highlights the inevitability of growth and the importance of adapting to new circumstances. The film's message is clear. Growth often requires stepping out of one's comfort zone and embracing the unknown. Literary elements. Disney Frozen 2 captivates audience with its enchanting story, vibrant characters, and meaningful themes. Beyond its surface appeal, the film employs various literary elements that enrich its narrative and deepen its impact. Through its use of symbolism, foreshadowing, character development, and themes, Frozen 2 stands as a remarkable example of storytelling in modern animation. Symbolism, the power of representation. Symbolism plays a significant role in Frozen 2, adding layers of meaning to its narrative. The natural elements, water, fire, wine, and earth, are symbolic of the force that shape the world and the character journeys. Elsa's discovery of Ataholan, the mythical river of memories, symbolizes self-discovery and the quest for truth. It serves a metaphor of digging into the past to understand one's present identity. Foreshadowing, hints of what's to come. Frozen 2 skillfully foreshadowing to build anticipation and tie together its complex plot. Early in the film, Elsa hears a mysterious voice calling her, foreshadowing her eventual journey uncover the truth about her powers. The lullaby All Is Found, sung by Queen Iduna, is rich with foreshadowing, hinting at the secret hidden in Ataholan, and the revelation of Elsa's role as the fifth spirit. The story conclusion, where Elsa chooses to live the enchanted forest while Anna takes her place as Queen of Arundel, is subtly hinted throughout their respective arcs, emphasizing their distinct destinies. Issue is Frozen 2. Addressing social and environment issues is in Frozen 2. Disney Frozen is more than a continuation of the beloved tale of Elsa and Anna. It is narrative that delves into significant social and environmental issues through its intricate plot and rich symbolism. The film that addresses themes such as historical injustice, environmental sweatshops, and the responsibility to confront and rectify past wrongs. This issue not only adds depth to the story but also resonates with contemporary audience who are grappling with similar challenge in the real world. Historical injustice and reconciliation. One of the central issues in Frozen 2 is the impact of historical injustice on present-day relationships. The conflict between Arundel and Nothulda people stems from King Reynard's betrayal as he built a dam under the guise of friendship, but with the tension of weakening on Nothulda. This explosion led to mistrust and division, symbolizing the consequence of colonialism and the expulsion marginalized communities. The film resolution, in which Elsa and Anna confront their family past and take action to restore balance, underscores the importance of acknowledging historical wrongs and seeking reconciliation. By addressing this issue, Frozen 2 encourages viewers to reflect on the legacies of injustice and their own societies and the steps needed to heal. Confronting the past and taking responsibility. A recurring issue in Frozen 2 is the necessity of confronting unconfrontable truths about the past. Elsa and Anna's journeys reveals not only the surge of Elsa's powers but also the hidden truths about their family histories. This is the decision to act, whether it's Elsa's exploration to Ataholan or Anna's choice to destroy the dam, demonstrates the importance of taking responsibility for past action, even when the cost is high. This narrative aligns with contemporary calls for accountability and the recognition that progress often requires the requires difficult, courageous choices. Empowerment and leadership. Finally, Frozen 2 addresses the issue of leadership and empowerment, particularly as it pertains to women. Both Elsa and Anna grow into their respective roles as leaders. Elsa embraces her destiny as the fifth spirit, a guardian of the natural world, while Anna steps into her role of Queen of Arundel. Their journey reflects themes of empowerment, self-discovery, and the balance between personal desires and communal responsibilities. By presenting strong, capable female protagonists, the film challenges traditional gender roles and inspires audience to embrace their own strengths. The impact of Frozen 2: cultural, social, and environmental influence. Disney Frozen 2 has left an indelible mark on audiences worldwide, transcending its roles as an animated sequel to become a cultural phenomenon. With its compelling story, memorable characters, and rich themes, the film has had a profound impact on society, inspiring meaningful conversation about identity, environmental, and representation. By weaving universal message into a relatable universe, Frozen 2 has resonated deeply with audiences of all ages and backgrounds. The second, cultural influence, representation, and diversity. One of the most significant impacts of Frozen 2 is its contribution to cultural representation in media. The film portrayal of the Northuldra people, inspired by the semi-indigenous communities of Scandinavia, reflect a commitment to identity and inclusivity. Disney collaboration with the Semi-Council ensured that the Northuldra were represented respectfully, setting a precedent for how indigenous cultures can be portrayed in mainstream media. This inclusion not only enriches the narrative but also fosters awareness and appreciation of diverse cultures among global audience. Social impact: themes of identity and empowerment. At its core, Frozen 2 explores themes of self-discovery and empowerment, which have resonated strongly with viewers. Elsa's journey to understand her powers and embrace her identity has inspired countless fans to embrace their own uniqueness and individuality. Her role as a powerful and independent character continues to challenge the traditional stereotypes of female protagonists in animation. Meanwhile, Anna's growth into a confident leader highlights the importance of resilience, teamwork, and the courage to make difficult decisions. Together, these characters provide role models for audience, particularly young girls, emphasizing the leadership and strength come in many forms. The impact of Frozen 2 extends far beyond its status as an animated film. By addressing cultural representation, promoting social empowerment, raising environmental awareness, and setting new standards for the industry, the film has become the impact of Frozen 2 extends far beyond its status as an animated film. By addressing cultural representation, promoting social empowerment, raising environmental awareness, and setting new standards for the industry, that films has become a significant force in shaping contemporary culture. Its ability to entertain while inspiring meaningful dialogue ensures that its influence will endure, making Frozen 2 not just a cinematic success but also a cultural milestone. Thank you. Hello Miss, my name is Cahaya Juli Karnesia. Am I